Creating a bootable Windows 10 USB flash drive is important in case you ever need to perform a fresh installation of Windows 10. The process is straightforward, and we will demonstrate how to create a bootable USB flash drive in this video. While it's not confirmed, Microsoft might remove the Windows 10 download links after support ends on the 14th of October 2025. Microsoft has previously removed download links for older operating systems, such as Windows 7 and 8.1, after their end of support. It's not clear how long the Windows 10 download links will remain available on Microsoft's website. Therefore, we recommend that you download the Windows 10 installation media now and keep a backup if you plan on continuing to use Windows 10 after support ends. It will save you a lot of time if you ever need a fresh installation of Windows 10. Once the official download links have been taken down, reinstalling Windows 10 from scratch becomes more challenging without a backup. You will need to rely on alternative sources to download the installation files, which might have been tampered with. To create installation media, you will need a USB flash drive, and it needs to be at least 8 GB in size. If you've got one, you can go ahead with the instructions. If not, you can buy one on Amazon or eBay. A decent USB flash drive, which can hold 16 to 32 GB of data, is not very expensive. You can also use a DVD, but we will use a USB flash drive in this video. To download the Windows Media Creation tool, go to the download page for Windows 10. On the page you will see two options. Under Create Windows 10 Installation Media, click on the Download Now button to download the Media Creation tool file. We have put the link in the video description. After you've downloaded the Media Creation tool, you run it by double-clicking on it. When you first open it, you will see the software license terms. Click on Accept. Then, you will see two options. Select Create Installation Media for another PC, and click Next. On the Select Language, Architecture, and Edition screen, the recommended options for your PC will be automatically selected, but you can change them if you want. Click Next and select the USB drive. You will then need to connect the USB drive to your computer and select it from the drop-down. The process will delete all files on the USB drive, so you will need to back them up to another location if you want to keep them. Once you click Next, there isn't much else you need to do. Windows 10 will be downloaded and saved to your USB drive. This will take a few minutes. After it's finished downloading, you will see the message saying your USB drive is ready. Click on Finish, and the setup will clean before the window closes. You can now unplug your USB drive and keep it somewhere safe. If you ever need to perform a clean installation of Windows 10, you can plug the USB drive into your computer before you start it up. When it starts up, it should automatically boot from the USB drive, and you will see the Windows 10 installation screen. If it doesn't boot from USB, you will need to configure your BIOS settings and ensure that the USB drive is selected as the first boot device. The process of entering the BIOS and changing the settings varies, depending on your computer manufacturer, so you should research specific instructions if you're unsure. If you want to stay up to date with more insightful content like this, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. To receive notifications whenever our channel posts new content, you can also click on the bell icon.